In this video, I want to break down 6 side hustle ideas for students, and also anyone can start this side hustle even if you're not a student. But before we dive in, I want you to understand that there is no magic way of making money. The only way to make money is by providing value to people who can pay for that value. That is the first law of making money. And because a lot of people are looking for a quick way to make money online, when they see a video like this, they will skip it and they will end up watching tons of videos on YouTube, and at the end, no money is made. And what many YouTubers don't tell you is that making money is a skill, and that is why I tried a series where I will try all these methods of making money online, and I will document my journey, and I will share the ones working and how much I make from each platform. The main purpose is to save you time from solving YouTube videos looking for ways to make money, and at the end you just wasted your time. So smash that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video on this channel. Now let's continue. When you understand the skills, when you understand the laws of making money, when you understand how they work, you won't need to watch more videos about how to make money online again. Instead, you'll be able to apply this principle to your own skills, in your own life, in your own content, that maybe a few months from now you might be making videos like this teaching people how to make money on the internet. Generally, when it comes to side hustle, we want our side hustle to fit these 3 specific needs for us. We want our side hustle to ideally give us flexibility. For example, you probably don't want your side hustle to be working shifts. Secondly, we want our side hustle to be fun. We want our side hustle to be things that literally doesn't feel like working. If you can find the thing that feel like play to you but look like work to other people, you are way more likely to enjoy it. The third, we want our side hustle to generate money and revenue. Now let's start with side hustle idea number 1, which is to be a content creator. I know you have heard about content creation as a side hustle, but I want you to know that there is something in this video that will change your mindset towards content creation as a side hustle. There are many ways to be a content creator, and I will tell you the best platform to start with if you stick with me in this video. Content creation is a side hustle that everything is gained. Even if you don't blow as a content creator, it will expose you, help you build your confidence, and make you learn new skills without you even knowing. And these days, you can be a content creator without creating your own video. Just post another person's video and still make money from it. Look at this channel here. This channel makes not less than $5,000 every month, and what he does is upload Apostle Sermon videos on his channel. And there is a way about this and if you want me to make video on how to reuse someone else's video without copyright, let me know in the comment section. So content creation doesn't really mean you creating your own content from scratch. My advice for you as a student, no matter what level you are, you can start now and build up your audience. Either you create from scratch or you create from people's work. The main thing is to start today, and you should know this. There is a problem with content business, and that is content business are generally what we call J-curve business, which means that at the start you can be working very hard for unspecific length of time, and you might only see a slight result after you have put in time and effort into doing this thing. For example, YouTube is a content business. It took me 30 videos and 6 months to get my first 500 subscribers. I'm not even monetized yet, and I make and post at least 2 videos every single week. The point is that content creation is not a very quick way of making money online, and you have to put in effort and time and sometimes money to it if you really want to change your financial status. On that content creation side hustle, you can start posting on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media as a student. If you don't have any idea of what kind of content you can start posting, you can research more here on YouTube. Number 2 side hustle is to be a thumbnail designer. Like I said earlier, you can make money by creating value for people who are willing to pay for that value. And one category of people that need a thumbnail designer is YouTubers. YouTubers are delighted to pay for a good thumbnail designer because we know the importance of thumbnail, and so if you can be a thumbnail designer for YouTubers, that is a very reasonable way of making money through the internet in a way that is fun, freedom and flexibility, and finances. And I want to share a couple examples here. So there is this article that talks about how this guy at the age of 19 turned a designing thumbnails for YouTubers into a full-time job. When he was still in school, he began making thumbnails for gaming YouTubers, and when he started off, he would sell one of these thumbnails to his client for about $15, and he charges $250 for a single thumbnail, and he has multiple big YouTubers as the client. This is what he started as a student. To learn how to design a thumbnail, there are a lot of videos, YouTube video tutorials that explain how to use each software to start learning. The softwares that you can use for free to design thumbnails includes Canva, Photoshop, and that is the only tools I recommend that you can start with. It's definitely a skill that anyone can learn. You just need to put in some time and effort into learning a skill, because like I said earlier, there is no free ways of making money. You have to use a skill, you have to provide value value, and sometimes it does take time to learn how to provide that value. Side hustle number 3 is to become a forex trader. A forex trader is a person that analyzes markets, either stock, indices, or many other markets. These guys like Jeff Benson, Happy Forex are the biggest in this game here in Nigeria, and statistics have shown that if you devote your time, you can learn this skill within 6 to 8 months and your life will change for good. So get started with this side hustle. Go to babypip.com and register with them for free and invest your time, energy. You will see how your life will be transformed. Side hustle idea number 4 is to become a remote tech sales rep. It's one of the new ways of making money online right now from your home, but it's actually pretty legit. So guys, there's a good news here. If you watch this video till the very end, I will share this company that are training people for free in any part of the world and you get paid while learning. Amazing, right? Finally, side hustle idea number 5 for students or for anyone else is to become an app or software developer with no code. This is a new market in the tech industry. Initially, before you could develop an app, you have to be a software engineer or a programmer, but with the power of AI, we can now develop mobile app and software with no code, and you can learn these skills and start making money from it, because a lot of businesses need an app or software developers. There are extensive tutorials on YouTube here that can help you get started. Just go on YouTube, search how to develop apps with no code. You will have a lot of videos that explain in details how to use these softwares. Now, if you want to start with Tech Sales Rep, Edition is a company that training anyone that want to become a tech sales rep for free and pay them while learning. And after the training, they will merge you with the global company where you will start working as a tech sales rep. To sign up with Edition, go to edition.com and register. I will leave the link in the description below. As a student, you have to look out to any of this side hustle and start while you are still in school. Avoid being broke and dependent when you are through with this school. If you are still here, thank you very much. Smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos I upload on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you pick any of these side hustles I just explained and you start making money, start working on it and start making money from it. Thank you very much for watching.